Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get ahead of 99% of software engineers by using AI. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use AI tools to become faster, more productive, and more valuable than most engineers today. In 2025, software engineering isn't just about writing code, it's about leveraging AI copilots, automations, and agents. Those who master these tools will outpace 99% of developers who don't. So, the first step that you can do, you can use AI as your coding copilot. You can use tools like this one, GitHub Copilot or GPT-5 code assistants to write boilerplate, suggest improvements, and speed up debugging. So this will save you hours of repetitive coding. And step 2, you can automate workflows with AI agents. You can set up AI agents through platforms like this one, Zapier, or AutoGPT to automate testing, deployment, and even documentations. And the next step, you can also use AI for system design and architecture. So AI isn't just for code, it can help design scalable architectures. You can ask AI to generate diagrams, estimate load, and propose optimizations before you write a single line of code. And next, you can continuous learning with AI. So stay ahead by using AI as a tutor. Ask it to explain advanced concepts, new frameworks, or even mock interview questions. Engineers who constantly upskill with AI learn 10 times faster. And that's how you can get ahead of 99% of software engineers with AI. If you want to future-proof your career, start mastering AI tools today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!